a bar chart. And a bar chart, right, uses categories and numbers. A pie chart is a percentage. How big is your piece of the pie? What percentage? But if I want to just compare one thing to another thing, number to number, then maybe a bar chart will give us a sort of different look at things. So I'm going to create a bar chart next. And my bar chart code here, pretty simple. Again, I'm doing total shark attacks by city, group by city, and summing them. And then I'm going to take that and I'm going to change that into a sorted one. So after I group them, I'm going to sort them from smallest to largest by the number of shark attacks. That should help me understand the data a little bit more. And then I'm going to use that sorted data frame. And I'm giving it an X and a Y axis and an orientation. The orientation, it should be an H or a V standing for vertical or horizontal. And if my shark attacks, if it's a horizontal, my shark attacks are going to be the length of the bar. And Y, the vertical axis, is going to be city. So each category will be a different city. And then this labels here is actually going to give me the information that pops up in the label. And I'll show you that right now. So I'm going to run this. And there is my list of things, Honolulu being the smallest, Ocean City being the largest. We already saw that in the pie chart. But here's an interesting thing. Let's say I decide that anything less than 40 shark attacks is too small for me to worry about. I don't want to include that in my data set. Now, I could go back and filter that data to remove anything that's smaller than 40. But if I just want to play with the data a little bit, maybe I just want to turn off those 4 cities that are too small for me to worry about. So all I do is click on those in the key and I can turn them on and off. The rest of the chart reorients itself to take up that space. And again, I can take this and download that plot with the cities turned off that I just turned off. So I can use this really quickly and easily to do things. But now I can see those shark attacks and those labels you can see here. If I hover over each one, it says the city and the total shark attacks, which is what I defined in this labels setting right here. So that's a bar chart, and we're still kind of just exploring and getting a feel for the data.